Hey guys, welcome back to another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that when you try to download or install any app in your iPhone or iPad or any other iOS gadget, you may face a problem that unable to verify it. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just go back and first of all guys, you will open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi. You may click here on your Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and you may connect it again. Or if you are connected to mobile data, you may click here on mobile services and here is the option of mobile data, so you may turn this on, then click here on mobile data options, so you may select 4G from here or 5G from here. Then guys, you may go back and here's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. After this, you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and here is the option of background app refresh, so you may click here and you may turn this on from here. After this, click here on date and time and click on set automatically turn this on. After this guys, you may scroll it down and here's the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back again and here is the option of screen time, so you may click here on screen time and here's the option of content and privacy restrictions, so click here and you may turn this off from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may open settings again and click here on apps and you may open Safari from here. So let's check. You may scroll it down and select Safari, so click here and here is the option of clear history and website data, so you may click here and clear all data from here. Then click here on advanced, click here and you may scroll it down and here is the option of, so click here and you may just wait for some second, so you may reset all settings from here to default, so click here and remove all website data. Then guys, you may go back and you may download and install that app again, and now guys, you may check your problem will be fixed and you can easily verify your apps. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.